Hello everyone, my name is Mcclendon, and today I'll be talking about Polygon. This cryptocurrency I'll be going into how to trade and hodl it, doing a price prediction, and also where to find the news. Let's begin. Polygon's sitting at $2.07 and is number 16 on the list of cryptocurrencies. It has a huge market cap of 14 billion. Insane amount. Wow. There's a lot of players in this cryptocurrency, but let's see where we can find where we can trade this or hodl it. Let's go. Let's see. All right. So they're on Binance, Coinbase Pro, Huobi Global, FTX, and KuCoin. So they have different platforms you guys can get a part of. You guys can learn more about cryptocurrency on this webpage. But let's go to Kraken to see what is Polygon. Polygon is formerly known as MATIC Network. It's a scalable solution that aims to provide multiple tools to improve the speed and reduce the cost of complexities of transactions on the blockchain networks. At the center of Polygon's visions is Ethereum, a platform that is home to the range of decentralized applications, ones where you guys can join virtual worlds, play games, buy art, participate in a range of financial services. However, this much activity has rendered the Ethereum almost unusable, and the cost of transmission, raising the traffic costs as clogging it. So that's where Polygon ends. It comes in, probably it reduces the cost overall. So Polygon has some utility. Let's check out their website. So here's their website, polygon.technology. Actually pretty cool. If you guys want to break down the technology, their challenge and solution, please check out this part of the website. Also, they have a big following on Twitter, so if you guys are on Twitter, guys, please check them out. Almost 800,000 followers. I'm on Twitter, Andre Mcclendon, so please check me out. I talk about a lot of business, political, and trading stuff, just like the channel. Also, let's get into some Polygon stuff when it comes to Reddit. So, if you guys are on Reddit, guys, if you guys want to talk to the forums, people who are on there trading and hodling this, please discuss it with them. You can discuss it with myself by leaving a comment below, and I'll get directly to you guys. I comment on every single comment you guys put down there. So let's go. Now let's talk about trading this, guys. Now, I'm late to the party. A lot of people are late to the party. I didn't hear about this cryptocurrency. I wish I knew about it earlier. But let's see if we can get part of it. Let's turn on that super trend and also that Fibonacci extension. So we already busted past the 161, about to hit that 2618 level. So for me, guys, this is a very tradable thing. Let's see what I would do. Now, getting into this, immediately market buy in. Because I want to get past, it seems like with this amount of energy being put into it, we're going to, most likely, if it does, this hit past this level, breaking the $2.70, busting past that, creating new highs. Now, if you guys are in at the bottom over here, let me turn off this arrow. If you guys are in at the bottom down here, you're sitting happy. You know, for me, if I was sitting down there, I would be taking profits off. Not all of them, but you know, enough that makes this trade worth my time. But for this, guys, I'll be entering in a buy market. I will be using a small lot size because since we're buying at this peak right here, it may trend back down. Just a little bit, maybe temporarily, if it does or not. If so, since we have a lot of space, this right here is going to be a little bit different because it's already trending. I'm going to be placing a buy limit right here. Just about in this area. Going back to that 2. And another buy limit right here at this low. Now, this will require, you know, if you're going to be risking a lot, I would be doing, like, for example, a 0.01 lot or a 0.01 lot, and then I'll scale it down to a 0.02 lot. Something like that. You know, scale it so you don't get to a point where you're burning your account because you hedge or you put too much in the trade. I put all trades to 2.4% of my account, so I don't get melted. I don't get my account destroyed. I don't want that. I don't want those problems. But if it hits this price point, I'm going to let this trade run. If it does the second one, I'm hitting my buy limit, let this trade run. I am going to place a buy stop just in case at the 2618 level right here. So if it does any of option 1, 2, or 3, place my buy stop, move my stop loss to break even, and then if it hits this area here and hits my buy stop, I'll close that trade and let it run and run and run. If it continues to do that, make higher highs, all I'm going to do is have my entry and then have my stop loss above it, and I'll just keep moving my stop loss, maintaining that I keep profits. Cool? If I'm going to hodl this, guys, I mean, I tell people, like, I would dollar cost average in at the exact same points I put in here, guys, because it's already taking off and I don't want to miss the party. Cool. Enter on this, and if it goes back down, enter every Friday with X amount of money and do the exact same thing. But for this, I would have 2 buy limits at 2 different points. There's a big difference in there. Okay? So that's what I would do, guys. My first price prediction would be $2.73. If any questions about that, drop a comment below, guys. I will get to you guys, get back to you, help build that conversation. Also, guys, here's my website, underjmcclendon.com. Have cryptocurrency news, have stuff about indicators, MetaTrader 4 and 5, and also some gold to silver statistics. If any questions or comments, guys, please drop a comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.